How to install an additional entrance panel to an EASYKit. The addition of an extra entrance panel is made simple by its two-wire D1 and D2 connection joining the D1 and D2 connection of the existing entrance panel. It's possible to make a connection at any point in the D1 and D2 monitor and entrance panel link. When creating a junction, use appropriate cable connectors and enclosures. Check that the D1 and D2 polarity is maintained. On the additional outdoor station, the lower dip switch must be set to the AD position. When connections and dip switch settings are complete, the power can be switched on and a test call can be made from each entrance panel.